LuxMed CSSD, Central Sterile Supply Department, Turnkey project.
Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
LuxMed CSSD, Central Sterile Supply Department, Turnkey project involves providing a complete, ready-to-use sterile processing department for a hospital or healthcare facility. This includes all the necessary equipment, furniture, and infrastructure, along with potential training for staff. Key aspects of a CSSD turnkey project. Equipment. This is a core component, typically including sterilizers, steam, ethylene oxide, plasma, washer disinfectors, ultrasonic cleaners, drying cabinets, and sealing machines. Infrastructure. This might involve creating designated areas for dirty, clean, sterilization, and sterile supply, as well as ensuring proper airflow and ventilation. Furniture. This could include tables, trolleys, and other storage and work surfaces. Software and IT integration. Some projects might include systems for tracking and managing inventory, workflow, and quality control. Training. Providing staff with the necessary skills to operate the equipment and maintain sterile processing protocols. Turnkey approach. The vendor handles everything from design and procurement to installation and commissioning, minimizing the hospital's workload. Examples of CSSD equipment: sterilizers, O-steam autoclaves for high-temperature sterilization, O-ethylene oxide, ETO, sterilizers for heat-sensitive items, O-plasma sterilizers for low-temperature sterilization, washer disinfectors, automate the cleaning and disinfection of instruments, ultrasonic cleaners, used for delicate instruments, drying cabinets, ensure instruments are dry before sterilization, sealing machines, used to package sterile items, other equipment, surgical drums, scrubbing sinks, and other specialized equipment. LuxMed steam sterilizers, also known as autoclaves, are used to sterilize medical equipment and instruments by exposing them to high-pressure saturated steam at specific temperatures and for a defined time. This method effectively kills microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and spores, ensuring items are sterile for reuse. LuxMed drying cabinets are used to efficiently and thoroughly dry medical instruments and other materials after sterilization or disinfection, ensuring they're dry and ready for use. These cabinets use a combination of heat and airflow, often HEPA-filtered, to remove moisture and prevent rust or damage. Key uses and features of CSSD drying cabinets: drying medical instruments. Instruments that have been through a sterilization or disinfection process, like an autoclave, need to be thoroughly dried to prevent rust and corrosion. Drying other materials. CSSD drying cabinets can also be used to dry other items like anesthesia circuits, hospital blankets, and various lab equipment. Controlled temperature and airflow. The cabinets use a controlled temperature and airflow system to ensure efficient and thorough drying without damaging the item. High-capacity design. Many drying cabinets are designed to hold a large amount of instruments or other materials, increasing efficiency in large hospitals. Durability and reliability. They are often made with high-quality materials like stainless steel, ensuring long-term use and reliability. Customization options. Some manufacturers offer customization options to fit specific needs or storage requirements. LuxMed ethylene oxide, ETO, is primarily used as a sterilant, particularly for heat-sensitive medical devices. It's also a key industrial chemical used in the production of various other substances like antifreeze, detergents, and pharmaceuticals. Additionally, ETO is employed as a pesticide and in some food processing applications. Ethylene oxide, ETO, is primarily used as a sterilant, particularly for heat-sensitive medical devices. Medical sterilization. ETO is a common sterilization method for medical devices that can't withstand high temperatures or radiation, which includes a large portion of disposable medical equipment. It's used to eliminate microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi from medical devices and equipment. ETO sterilization involves exposing the items to a controlled environment with ETO gas, typically at lower temperatures compared to other sterilization methods. LuxMed Manufacturing Unit is a physical location or facility where raw materials are transformed into finished goods using various processes, tools, and machinery. Mechanical Design Team is a group of professionals, typically engineers and designers, who collaborate to create and develop functional and efficient mechanical systems, components, and products. Bending machines are used to shape metal sheets, pipes, and other materials into various forms by applying force to create a bend. They are used in a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, construction, and automotive, for applications like creating car frames, architectural elements, and various metal components. Fiber laser cutting machines are used in various industries for precise and efficient cutting of metals and non-metals. They are particularly well suited for applications requiring high accuracy, speed, and clean cuts, making them valuable in manufacturing, electronics, automotive, aerospace, and medical device production. Benefits of a turnkey project. Efficiency. Streamlines the process of establishing a new or upgrading an existing CSSD. Cost savings. Potentially reduces overall costs by optimizing the procurement process and leveraging vendor expertise. Quality. Ensures that all equipment and infrastructure meet established standards and best practices. Expertise. Provides access to experienced vendors who can guide hospitals through the design, implementation, and maintenance of a CSSD. LuxMed CSSD, Central Sterile Supply Department, Turnkey solution provides a hospital with a fully equipped and operational sterile processing department, ready to be used immediately. This includes all the necessary equipment, furniture, and supplies for cleaning, disinfecting, sterilizing, and distributing medical instruments and supplies. The primary usage of CSSD equipment is to ensure the safe and sterile processing of medical devices, preventing infections and ensuring patient safety. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Key equipment in a CSSD. Washers, disinfectors. Used for cleaning and disinfecting instruments and equipment. Sterilizers, autoclaves, gas sterilizers. Used to sterilize instruments and equipment using high-temperature steam or gas sterilization methods. Ultrasonic cleaners. Used for cleaning delicate instruments that may be damaged by harsh washing methods. Drying cabinets. Used to dry instruments and equipment after washing and sterilization. Packaging, sealing equipment. Used to package sterilized items for distribution to various hospital departments. Trolleys and tables. Used for transporting instruments and supplies within the CSSD and to other hospital departments. Pass boxes. Used to safely transfer instruments between different areas within the CSSD, minimizing the risk of contamination. Benefits of a turnkey solution. Reduced setup time. Turnkey solutions significantly reduce the time and effort required to set up a new CSSD, as the department is pre-configured and ready to operate. Cost effectiveness. Turnkey solutions can be more cost-effective in the long run, as they minimize the need for separate equipment purchases and installation costs. Streamlined processes. Turnkey solutions often include pre-configured workflows and processes, streamlining the sterile processing workflow. Solutions improve the efficiency of sterile processing and instrument turnaround time. Enhanced patient safety. Properly functioning CSSDs with the right equipment are crucial for preventing infections and ensuring patient safety. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.